Hello, everyone, and welcome to our fourth episode of Crypto for Business. The whole conversation around stablecoins has changed dramatically as we move through 2026. What used to be viewed as risky by most businesses has matured into a financial ecosystem that is being implemented at the infrastructure level. This is why I'd like us to take a look at some of the biggest B2B trends that no business should miss out on. Businesses now view stablecoins as a settlement layer, capable of supporting virtually everything, from treasury operations to complex fintech products. Accepting crypto is one thing, but making value move in a way that's more programmable and easier to integrate into the existing financial stacks are completely different things. Companies are embedding these stablecoin functionalities into their workflows without needing to build anything from scratch. This trend can be defined by two major shifts. On one hand, we have a fundamental infrastructure upgrade. Stablecoins are used as high-speed liquidity rails that seamlessly run in parallel with traditional card networks and fiat systems. What's crucial here is that the end user often never interacts with blockchain wallets or stablecoins at all. The underlying complexity is fully abstracted away, leaving a user experience that's entirely familiar and intuitive. On the other hand, we have the institutional aspect. Established banks and fintech platforms have entered the space, developing stablecoin-backed settlement and tokenized cash flows. For years, these same banks have labeled crypto as a threat to finance. Now that they found a way to package it, that same disruptive threat magically became responsible innovation overnight. Beneficial for the business, sure, but highly telling and extremely ironic. The B2B trends go far beyond settlement though. We also see a massive evolution in how companies handle their balance sheets. Corporate treasuries are increasingly looking at tokenized money products and stablecoins to manage their funds. This allows them to move past the dead capital, that idle cash that's waiting in slow and inefficient accounts. The direction they're currently heading in is active, yield-bearing digital balances that they can access immediately. We see highly similar developments in personal wealth management, with stablecoins acting as the bridge between digital portfolios. By enabling access to real-time rebalancing, these tools make sophisticated portfolio management far more accessible to a wider range of investors, moving beyond the rigid strategies of the past. Furthermore, this trend is strengthened by powerful network effects. Stablecoins become more useful the more institutions support them. Every new participant reduces friction for the next. It shows the growing value of a shared and interoperable digital rail that creates a virtuous cycle for everyone connected to it. Then there's the rise of programmable money. Because stablecoins live on-chain, payments can be linked to specific data and conditions as well as various milestones. We're essentially moving smart money instead of static dollars. A business can now automate supplier payments that only trigger when a digital bill is confirmed, while also managing treasury rebalances automatically. This makes the movement of money into a functional and independent building block for modern operations. Looking ahead, we're slowly entering the era of the autonomous economy. Whether we like it or not, AI agents have begun navigating the digital landscape, and they'll need a way to pay for all that data and computing power. Traditional flows with their high fees and slow settlement times simply were not built for machine-to-machine commerce. Stablecoins, however, are the perfect fit. They provide the 24/7 settlement and sub-cent fees these autonomous machines require. It's an early trend for sure, but it signals why programmable money will be essential for the future of software-defined business. In previous years, adoption was hampered by fragmented liquidity and weak tooling. That environment has also matured significantly. We now see flawless API integrations and institutional custody. Meanwhile, the reliable on and off ramps allow businesses to move between stablecoins and fiat with zero operational friction. The compliance architecture is also finally here. With clear frameworks in place, that ambiguity that kept CFOs on the sidelines for years has vanished completely. The winners in this space will be those who prioritize transparency and operational stability. Regulatory clarity acts as a catalyst for growth, and issuers are constantly forced towards stricter governance. When businesses will choose a provider, they will choose reserve quality and legal certainty over novelty and innovation. All these trends are pointing in the exact same direction. Stablecoins now function as a reliable backbone for the global trade. The opportunity for your business is identifying where this technology can improve efficiency and reduce cross-border friction while preparing your operations for an increasingly on-chain future that's fully automated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.